Robots, the future of welding. Welding is tough. It's a skill that requires precision, strength, and endurance. It's hard to do well, and it's even harder to do it for a long time. Welders often face extreme conditions, from intense heat to uncomfortable positions. That's where robots come in. They can handle the heat, the precision, and the repetitive nature of the job without breaking a sweat. Imagine a robot arm, moving with precision, making perfect welds every time. These machines are designed to perform with incredible accuracy. That's the future of welding. Advanced technology is transforming the industry, making it safer and more efficient. These aren't the clunky robots from old sci-fi movies. They're sleek, sophisticated, and incredibly capable. These are high-tech machines that use lasers and sensors to weld with incredible accuracy. They can detect the smallest imperfections and adjust in real time. They can work faster and longer than humans, and they don't get tired. This means increased productivity and reduced downtime. We're talking about consistent, high-quality welds every single time. No more worrying about human error or fatigue. That's a game changer for industries that rely on strong, dependable welds. The future of welding is here, and it's robotic. So how do these robots know what to do? How do they perform such precise and complex tasks without human intervention? That's where AI comes in. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the technology that enables robots to think and make decisions. AI, or artificial intelligence, is like giving a brain to a robot. It allows the robot to process information and respond to its environment.
AI helps robots see the workpiece using cameras and sensors. These sensors collect data about the workpiece's shape, size, and position. It helps them understand the welding process and adjust on the fly. This means they can make real-time changes to ensure the weld is perfect. Think of it like this. AI gives the robot the knowledge and experience of a master welder. It's as if the robot has years of welding experience built into its system. It analyzes data, learns from past welds, and makes decisions to improve future ones. This continuous learning process makes the robot smarter over time. The result is a welding machine that's constantly learning and getting better. Each weld is an opportunity for the robot to refine its technique. That's the power of AI. It transforms ordinary robots into intelligent machines capable of performing complex tasks with precision and efficiency.